Explosion-proof equipment market. Explosion-proof equipment market, growth, trends and forecast 2022-2027, by types, by application, by regions and by key players. Eaton, NYSE:/ETN, Emerson, NYSE:/EMR, Siemens, R.Still Incorporated. Explosion-proof equipment market overview. The global explosion-proof equipment market is expected to reach $43,531 billion by 2027, with a CAGR of 4.0% from 2022 to 2027. Explosion-proof equipment is in high demand in the mining and oil and gas industries, owing to rising energy demands, which is a major driver contributing to market growth during the forecast period 2022-2027. Explosion-proof equipment market highlights the potential growth opportunities in upcoming years, while reviewing the market drivers, restraints, growth indicators, challenges, market dynamics, competitive landscape and other key aspects in the global market. Compound annual growth rate. Acknowledging the kind of traction gained by this market, recently published a study report by Industry Data Analytics asserts the global explosion-proof equipment market size is projected to accrue voluminously by 2027, registering a phenomenal CAGR of 4.0% during the review period, 2022 to 2027. Prime players: Eaton, Emerson, Siemens, R.Still Inc., Pebble and Fuchs, ABB, GE, Toshiba, Bartik, WEG. Market segmentation. Segment types: explosion-proof lamp, explosion-proof electrical equipment, explosion-proof instrument. Others. Segment: application, oil and gas, mining, manufacturing, processing. Others. Thank you. Contact us +1 704 266 3234. Contact at industridatanalytics.com. www.industridatanalytics.com